Hello and welcome to Use Review. Today I have a interesting review for you guys. It's a Tarion overhead tripod mount, which basically you can use it for your phone to hold your phone, and also it has the capability of attaching maybe your GoPro or any other device that has a little screw slot that you can put underneath, for example, some cameras do. So I just want to tell you a bit about this and the reason I purchased this. Now, over time, I've had about 3 or 4 of these stands in different variety of forms. This one seems to be the one that I so far liked, and I have reviews of others as well, you'll see on my channel, but this one sort of beats it in some ways, although the flexibility is not fully there like the other ones were, but because others were too flexible in bending and twisting, and I'll show you my old one that I purchased later, and they all seem to break, or the twist and turn becomes too flexible, which is it doesn't even hold a phone upright properly. It just folds up. But this one has a very good flexibility, I must say, considering there's a stiff movement to it. It's very sturdy, and it seems better well built than the other ones that I've had. Quite easily clamp this onto any stools or tables of your choice. It has a good dimension to it, so it does have a good reach. Now, this does hold a phone, although I recommend that you need to probably find a better process of holding the phone. The phone holder that it has got on there, it's not bad, it does the job. I find that it doesn't look secure, although it does hold my Note 9 quite comfortably on there. The example that I've shown you on my video here is for a smaller size phone, right, about iPhone size, you could call it. So I think you'll hold any phone, but I think it's just better to have something a bit more secure and holds a bit tighter, maybe advisable. But it is a very flexible, moving, long reach arm that holds the phone very well, and I do recommend this to others. Having had the other 2 different types, you'll see in my other reviews. This one, you can sort of, it's got little screws, things that you can actually tighten it of your choice, so you'll hold phones up, and it does the job very well, I must say. So yeah, I'm very happy with this so far, and if there are any issues later on, I will probably put a little post on my channel so you're aware of it. And you can see for yourself the build quality. It's all metal, spring loaded, so you can actually adjust it and tighten it of your choice of how far reach you want it to be, and you can tighten it so it doesn't fall down or anything like that. So yeah, I highly recommend this, and thank you for watching this quick review of this phone holder, long arm, I don't know what you call it, they've got a variety of names for a webcam holder, desktop, but you can probably put a mic on it as well if you like, if you've got the attachment for it. So this is why I like this product, and I thought if I like something I should share with other people. In addition to what I was saying, as you've just seen the other one that I purchased some time ago, the clamp itself broke, the little rod that sort of turns and twists came out completely. I had to put a glue into it to keep it in, and then later on the little knob on the top where the phone is attached to, the little holder, that broke as well twice. Luckily I had another one, I tried that as well, and that broke too. So it just wasn't working well for how, what I needed for. So I thought this is the new purchase that I made from Amazon. There are other similar products for much higher price, but I purchased this, I think, for just about let me check now, I think it was about yeah, $15.99 from Amazon when I purchased it. I think they gave me 5% off as well with a little discount. I think that's for everybody as well. So yeah, the holder itself is well, holds my phone very well. It's a Note 9, so it's a slightly heavier phone, and you can also, as the arm reaches out more, you can actually tighten it so you hold it tighter so it doesn't move. It's very sturdy. It has all the good features, and what I'll do, I'll also put a link at the bottom for the product detail as well, so you can see more specification to the size and the reach and so forth. So I would just like to say that, you know, this is a good product to buy. I'm not advertising this or getting anything for this at all, because I just like to share things that I enjoy using, and I hope you enjoy it too. And as you can see from my point of view, the video I'm doing, just to see how it operates, and from experience, I always wanted to watch other people how they've done things, so I can, if I like the product, I'll buy it. In your case, if you like it, it's up to you totally, but everyone has their own preferences. But just because I like it doesn't mean you'd like it as well. But at the same time, it just gives you a bit of a heads up on how this product is, and I'm just sharing it with you just for that basis. Thank you very much for watching.